Today's challenge was about to make the last piece of the wood floor fit in on the last space. So what we did was to cut the channel groove, specifically the bottom part, one side, and then the other side, like a L shape. We cut the bottom. Once we cut it, we give a try on the floor. We apply the glue, and it fit just fine. We glue down the last piece, and this is how it looks after everything. We keep working, but let me show you the final result of a small patch on the kitchen. Alright, MC Home Improvements.